Here at RK Motors, we have a tradition of offering you the finest muscle cars in the world. So it's only natural that when we found this documented registry-listed Shelby GT500, we simply could not wait to post it to our website. Backing a hot Cobra Jet 428 with a smooth C6 3-speed, this polished pony is a top-notch example of one of the rarest Shelby Mustangs ever produced. This Ford is the beneficiary of a detailed nut and bolt restoration that transformed a solid hobby horse into a battle-ready snake. A fresh coat of correct Candyapple Red 2-stage was layered over thick primer and accented with familiar gold side stripes. And today, this coupe rolls as a can't-miss favorite that easily puts most muscle cars to shame. Between the doors, a correct Black Clarion Knit vinyl interior mixes a correct combination of high back and sport deck seats with enough style to swerve down the red carpet. A Carroll Shelby-autographed dash plants an 8,000 RPM tachometer and a 140 mph speedometer above factory air conditioning and upfitted audio. A factory console floats a traditional shifter and small accessory gauges on fade-free carpet. And the driver spins an upfitted rim blow steering wheel on a correct tilt-away column. Lift the hood and you'll find a correct 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8. Looking fresh, it spins a correct C6 3-speed automatic that sends power back to a correct 9-inch axle. There are few cars that have the kind of attitude and presence of classic Shelby Mustangs. Documented, registry-listed, and fully restored, this 1969 GT500 drives and sounds every bit as good as it looks. If you've always wanted to own the ultimate Ford muscle car, here's your chance. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.